Feature set. The Denon Envaya DSB250BT has a few extra features, but one of the most important things to note is what it lacks: smart speaker status. It doesn't connect directly to Google Assistant or Alexa as a Google Home or Echo speaker does. That said, you can bring up Google or Siri by long pressing the Bluetooth button on the side. There's a mic in the speaker that lets you talk to the assistant, but this is actually just the same functionality recent wireless headphones have. It's worth noting that the Envaya DSB250BT's side buttons are stiff and have almost zero click feedback. If there's a design weakness here, it's these buttons. That said, however, they do work and you don't really need to use them other than to power the speaker off and on. The Denon Envaya DSB250BT's battery lasts for 13 hours at moderate volume, and is recharged using a micro USB socket on the back. This port is covered by a rubberized panel to keep water out. Such battery life is solid rather than excellent, and while another competitor, the Sony SRS-XB40, lasts up to 24 hours, the Denon sounds better. You can also check the battery level with a quick press on the power button. Doing so lights up a 5 LED array on the front, to show you roughly how much charge is left. If wireless isn't your forte, a 3.5mm socket next to the micro USB charger also lets you plug in non-wireless sources. There's no companion app, no Wi-Fi. However, you can link up two of these speakers by pressing their Bluetooth buttons for 5 seconds. We haven't had a chance to try out a stereo pair, but expect such a combo to sound great.